How to create broadcast channel on Instagram. Creation or creating broadcast channel on Instagram is very easy and simple. Just stick to the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Play Store and update Instagram app. Once done, tap open button to launch the app. Now tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Before that, ensure that you have already logged into your account. Now on this profile section, tap plus button at top right corner of the screen. Now on this pop-up menu box, you will see different option that says Reel, Post, Story, Story Highlight, Live, Meet for You, and Ad. But there is no any broadcast option here available. So remember that to create a broadcast channel, one must be big creator or influencers with large follow base. If you follow the criteria, then only the broadcast channel creation option will appear right just below here on this create button or create box. So if you get the option for broadcast channel, once you have follow all the criteria for it, then you can tap on it, and then after that you can easily create the broadcast channel. In order to troubleshoot this kind of issue in your Instagram, you need to tap on the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Now tap on help. Tap on report a problem. Tap report problem without checking. And now tap include and continue. Here you need to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So here we will simply write that our broadcast channel creation button or broadcast channel is not working on Instagram. After that, you can tap on the same button at top right corner of the screen and easily resolve your issue or troubleshoot your issue. So that's how we easily create broadcast channel on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.